In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arrow in Google Docs. This quick and straightforward guide will cover everything you need to know, so let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Once it's up, go ahead and type Google Docs into the search bar. This will direct you to the official Google Docs homepage. Once there, click on the Google Docs link to open the site. Now, you need to log in to your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you'll have to create an account, but assuming most of us are already set up, just enter your login details and sign in. After you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your documents are stored. Here, select the document in which you want to add an arrow. If you're starting a new document, click on the blank canvas option to open it. With your document open, you're ready to begin the process of drawing an arrow. On the top menu bar, you'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on it, then hover over to Drawing and select New. This opens up a new drawing window where we'll be creating our arrow. In this drawing window, you'll see a toolbar filled with various tools you can use. Find the line icon, which looks like a diagonal line. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu. From this menu, you can select Arrow. If you prefer more variety, click on the Shape icon and head to the Arrows section to find different arrow shapes. Once you've selected an arrow, it's time to draw it. Simply click and drag your cursor across the canvas to form the arrow. The great thing is, you can customize the arrow to fit your specific needs. Click on the arrow to select it. The toolbar provides options for changing the line color, adjusting the weight for a thicker or thinner line, and even modifying the style for something more visually appealing. After customizing your arrow to your liking, the final step is to save it. Click on Save and Close, and voila, your arrow is now added to your document. It's as simple as that. Remember, mastering these small tools can significantly enhance your overall productivity when working with Google Docs, and this method can be applied to various other shapes and drawings as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.